I am doing an IPO live stream on the 11th tomorrow and the 12th for Figure and all the other 3 to 4 IPOs on the 12th. On my YouTube channel, Joshua Engel, and this is why you might want to join me. If you don't know who I am, I'm Joshua Engel. I'm priority a long-term investor, focuses on fundamentals as long as some short-term volatility and technical analysis to decide when I'm going to buy my stocks. I jumped into the IPO space because I was interested in this opportunity, seeing Circle and CoreWeave pop. I was seeing that as an opportunity to make money. I sat through the morning of till 6 a.m. open for here in Pacific time till close for Figma, for Circle, for Bullish, Firefly IPO, and now for Klarna IPO. I see how these things move. I know exactly when to get in and get out. Of course, it's not one-to-one exactly, but I basically know the trends and how these people are doing these. Basically, what we'll be doing in the IPO, you guys can ask questions. 6 in the morning, I think it's 9 Eastern time over in New York for the New York Stock Exchange. Over there, of course, it's not going to be out yet. They do open around 3 to 4 hours, around 9:50 to 10:50 Pacific time. Which until then we'll be answering questions, setting my limit orders based on oversubscribe rate. I know Klarna was a little bit of a flop on the limit order side, but I did still end up making money, and more importantly, not losing money. So if you're gonna be watching this thing ready to get out on your IPO or ready to get in your limit order, you might as well join my live. We'll be explaining everything for the dark markets, how it's gonna move, everything, how I'm setting my limit order, answering questions, just generally vibing over there. And if you're not available tomorrow or you're not doing your limit order, of course, I'm doing one on the 12th again, 6 a.m. Don't have school, don't have work that day, fortunately, so I can just strictly be on there live. I am really excited about Figure. I think you can do better than Klarna. This company's amazing fundamentals. I love blockchain technology in this lending play. For me, I think it's going to do better in limit order play, which for Klarna, it's not really hard to beat out because that was a pretty bad limit order play, but there was some green lights that we did see, which somebody may not have saw since they say, oh my goodness, it's all bad. It was actually some good indications for the Figure IPO, seeing that this thing will not just pop straight down as soon as this thing opens up. It was trending up as some orders were going in. Of course, that has changed what people think about IPOs, maybe a little bit more skeptical now. I always like to have a little bit of skepticism in the air to keep people guessing and not saying, oh my goodness, this is free money. Always based on reality. I do everything I do based on trends, facts, and statistics. What happened before, what's going to happen now, everything like that to give me the best chance to succeed and to give you the best chance to succeed. Here to follow me on TikTok and on YouTube. I don't tell anything I plan to make of money in the future is off my YouTube channel, so you can go ahead and subscribe there for long-term investing, IPO, short-term investing, and my IPO live stream. See you there tomorrow.